color you want, through the origin.
Where's the origin? Just the middle?
Alright, and now, it says, we have a point P that's the intersection of L and the vertical line x equals pi. Where is the vertical line x equals pi? Okay, put
Somewhere.
pi on the x-axis, right? So put pi up there on the x-axis somewhere. Okay, and then the vertical line, go to a different color with this one, please. Vertical line through pi. That's the line x equals pi.
I think I know mine.
Hey, did I do something wrong?
No, well, go ahead, here you go.
I think I know how to do this kind of thing.
Okay.
It's kind of simple when you really think about
It
it.
really is, it really is, it really is, it really is. Okay? Alright. Okay. Now, the equation of that line I gave to you, right? That's x equals pi. So, mark your point P up there.
Where's the point?
What does it say? Point P is the intersection of L and the vertical line x equals pi.
Wait, where?
Where it intersect.
Oh, okay.
Anderson doesn't spell another. Didn't this one go? I don't want to. I can hear myself.
It's okay.
Shut up, Brad.
Right there?
Which line is L?
Joanna, you can talk about that, right?
L's the red,
Oh.
the one you started with. Where does it intersect the vertical line x equals pi?
Right there?
That's what we're looking for. That's the
Oh,
point
okay.
we're looking for. Okay, go ahead and put me a dot there or something. Show me that's a point. Alright. Now, what it says, do we know the x or the y coordinate of that point P? We know the x coordinate, don't we? What is the x coordinate?
Pi.
Can you show me that? Do we know the y coordinate? We don't know the y coordinate, right? So what are we gonna put there?
Why?
Y. Put y. Okay. Now, what we're looking for, we want to show that that y coordinate of point P, you draw an arrow from those coordinates to that point over there, so we can see. There you go. What we want to show is that that y is equal to pi times the slope of our line L. Do you know another point on line L?
The origin.
Ooh, yeah, mark that one for me, please.
So do I just draw a line to it?
Well, go ahead and put your a dot there and then show me the coordinates of that dot. Alright. Now, if we want to compare y to the slope of that line, we've got 2 points on that line, don't we? Okay, what is the slope of that line? How can you find the slope of that line if you have 2 points? You can do y equals mx plus b. Is there an easier way? Yes, that's exactly right. What is the slope formula? Say it again, Brandon. That's the slope intercept formula of the equation of the line. What's the slope formula? I got what?
Y1 minus Y2.
Alright, so m equals, m's your slope, right?
I think so.
Y1 minus Y2 over
X1 minus X.
X1 minus X2. Okay?
Yeah, Brad.
Now, what are you going to let me Y1?
Or Jesus.
0.
Y. Or 0.
Either way will work. I would start with Y, do Y1, just because it's going to avoid all the negatives and stuff. So, Y minus what?
0.
Y minus 0. Over? I minus 0. Okay, so all that becomes what?
Y over pi.
Right? So now we have m equals y over pi. And what we want to show is that the y coordinate of p, which is what?
Y.
Y. We want to show that's pi times the slope of line L. What's the slope of line L?
Y pi.
Huh? Can you get y by itself? Because we've got to show y is equal to something. What would you do to get y by itself?
Multiply by pi.
Multiply both sides by pi, right? So when you multiply a fraction by its denominator, the denominator just disappears.
So wait, what?
All right? You're trying to get y by itself now.
So I multiply both sides by pi.
Multiply both sides by pi.
Is that right?
Well,
M.
now, what that says is pi times m equals y. Or pi times the slope of line L equals the y coordinate of P. Now, which is a box down there. As you have shown that that is true.
That's it?
Is that what the way?
So which one? L.